Okay, Sammy, I've emptied that locker, and you can get to all the cables here and around here now, so that should be good. Okay, so when it comes to this, that grey cable there, which is joined with 2 hose clamps, I don't know which way it went before, but it's not fitting right unless it goes over the tank like that, and that wasn't the way it was before, because those are stainless, right? Because I think it came across here, Sam, because this thing needs to sit up here in the bunk, if you see what I mean. So that cable there, that grey cable, the return cable, isn't long enough going the route it's going now. And I think it used to come out of that hole there and then across. Do you see what I mean? And also I've noticed there's water or liquid under the tanks already, which is a bit of a worry because I don't know where it's come from. So you can see just in there, and you probably can't, but when you come down you'll see that there's liquid underneath, which, as I say, is a bit of a worry. Anyway, and are we going to run cable from these back? I can have gauges up in this locker, can't I, Sam? Yes, you did that. But see, in here, water. Yeah, I know, but, and it was all clean. But look, in here, see, water. No, water. See, liquid. How? Because this is a great job. But do you see what I mean? See the liquid shining in the bottom?
The picture that Kun Sam have, you speak Kun Sam have.
I'll talk to Sam. It's not your fault. You've done a great job. Okay. So yeah, just a thought, Sam. Really, and I'll come and talk to you about all that. Really. Oh, and there's some paint here. There's one up there and one down here. Now, one of it, and I think the bright white, this one, was the stuff that you used on my binnacle box. And there's the part A part and B part, two B parts there. And then I think that's an off-white. It might be not sure, which I used on the deck. But anyway, if you need to use any, that might be paint to use. But it might have gone off, Sam, I don't know. So there you go. That's that and all about it.